Hello, welcome to Accurate Physics. In this short video, I am explaining very important physics conceptual question that is from fluid mechanics. So let us read this question. How do tall trees supply water to their top leaves? So some trees are small, but others are very tall, very tall. For example, some trees goes up to 100 meter, which is really tall. Okay, so uh, to survive they have to bring water molecule or liquids from the bottom of their roots to the top lips so that they can operate photosynthesis process and they can prepare their food on the leaves. So what are the forces responsible to bring this water from the ground, from the roots to the leaves? Is there an atmospheric pressure that is responsible, or gravitational force, or electric force? What kind of force is playing to make this phenomenon possible, to transport water from roots to the leaves? We will be answering this question here. So there is atmospheric pressure because of which water can go up. For example, if you have a glass of water and you put a straw here, right? This is a straw, this is a straw, and you suck from the top, what will happen? Water will go up. Or without sucking, also water will go up. Why? Because the atmospheric pressure inside this straw will be less than the atmospheric pressure right here. From more atmospheric pressure to the latest atmospheric pressure, water will rise up. But this atmospheric pressure is not sufficient to raise the water from the roots of the very tall tree's lips, isn't it? Because this is really high, 100 meter, more than that. It's too high, right? The atmospheric pressure is not sufficient to raise water from roots to the lips. So what other force is there? Is there electric force? It could not be. Why? Because between two molecules there is no electric force playing between. Why? Because a molecule is electrically neutral, because in a molecule, in an atom, number of electrons and the number of protons are equal, so they will cancel each other and electrically neutral in general. Okay, so that is not enough. Sometimes if they are ions, it may act, but we are not talking about ions. These are the molecules. So no electric forces are acting in this case. So what other force is responsible then? The force that is responsible to bring water from the roots to the leaves in tall trees is the strong cohesive force. Let me write it down. Strong cohesive force. Strong cohesive force. What is this strong cohesive force? Look at here. This is water molecule, oxygen here, and the two hydrogen atoms are attached with oxygen, which we call S2O. So here is a S2O molecule, water molecule. Here is another water molecule, and so on. In the trees, there are narrow pipes within the tree that extends upward from the roots, very roots, to the lips, all the way up here, right? So these are the pipes through which water molecule can rise. But without any force, water cannot rise, right? If you put a pipe, water simply can't rise up. It can't go up. It's hard because gravitational force is pulling them down. There should be some extra force that is responsible, that can overcome the gravitational force and bring the water molecule up at the top of the leaf so that tree can cook their food. They can do photosynthesis process to prepare their food, isn't it? So this strong cohesive force is the force acting between the molecules. This is the attractive force. So look at here, this is a water molecule, and this water molecule is attracted by a cohesive force with another water molecule right here, and this eventually attracts another molecule, and so on. In this way, water molecule will raise off in these narrow pipes within the tray. What happened is water evaporates from the lips. So because of the sunlight, or they used of the lips used of water molecules when they process photosynthesis, when they perform photosynthesis process, they will use up, or water molecule will evaporate from the lips, right? What happened then? There is shortage of water in the lips, in these lips. And in this time, cohesive force pulls replacement water. So they need water, more water, and here is lack of water, and cohesive force will bring water from the bottom of the tree to the lips. And this force is responsible to deliver, to transport water or liquid from the very bottom of the tree, from the root of the tree to the lips. Okay, so this is very important conceptual question from the mechanics problem. I hope you understand better. In next video, we will discuss some very important conceptual problem from physics courses or some numerical problems.